All right, sit in front of this DR chipper. This actually belongs to my garden, or the school garden, but it needs a little repair. I don't know what it needs. I gotta open it up and see what it needs. Good news is, it doesn't seem to be broken. That's good. It might just be full of junk. So I'm gonna clear it out. Yeah, spinning freely. So I think it was just bound up. Looks like there's some rope or twine that was in there. I'll try to get out. But that's a lot better than a broken shaft or something. Pulley.
It's gotta go down. It's gotta spin. Yep. Here, hold on.
Okay, so Amy and I have this simultaneous idea. It's probably bad to burn that piece of string out. She thinks a lighter will do it. I think it's gonna need a torch. Post a comments what you think will work. Am I right, guys?
One of those, like.
Kids, you always want to think safety first when you're going to take something like this apart, and especially when you're going to put some flames on it. This spark plug has been unplugged the entire time. Amy, I think we got to break out the big guns.
It's melting it. It's breaking it right now.
Oh, come on. That's not even fun, though. It's like the Doors said, Amy. Come on, baby, light my fire. You get ready to light this? It's out. Need it. It's on. Flames out. Can't burn in that space. Okay, so Amy was right. The lighter is better. And we were able to get most of it, but there's some that's like inside. So I'm gonna try to take this off again. This is really hard to turn, and it spins. So I'm gonna stick this bar in here so it won't spin. And then I'm gonna use this as a cheater bar to get more leverage on it. Hopefully we don't break anything. Oh, easy physics. Super. Grandpa, easy. So all that was wrapped around the shaft. So it looks like it's spinning freely. Unless it's stopping right there. But we were able to spin it before. That's probably just where it would turn over the engine. So put it back together. See if she works. All right, that's it. It's all put together. It's all cleared out. I think maybe some of the shredder blades might have gotten thrown inside of the black housing, and that might have been causing it to bind up too. I'm pretty sure I put too large of a diameter stick in here, and that messed it up. But I'm not gonna fire it up because the neighbors are having a little Memorial Day barbecue, and this thing is really loud. So maybe I'll fire it up tomorrow during the regular work day. All right, this has been sitting on my plate for a long time. Glad to have it done. See you on the internet.